and the roof have a whole lot of rust spots. So all the rust spot was here. We sanded up everything, all the way through, sanded up everything. After we was clean the roof very well, and we was just use regular white primer from the local hardware store and tape it up everything, use the primer and primer dry up, and we use just regular spray paint, and it is drying nicely. It is, we have some stuff falling from the trees, but it is look just like new again, ready for the another winter season.
Yes.
So this particular van don't have no side truck, so you can insert like regular luggage on top of the roof. This one have these two bars. We just improvising. We're going to put one 2x4 on that side, another 2x4 on another side, and 2x4 here at both ends, 2x4 at the middle, and we're going so it is be not fly out of the thing. We're going fast, and once it is we have another 2x4 here. We're going fast from the bottom in 3 locations, one at the center and 3 locations. So it is be nice and stay in the place, because we really don't want to drill to these side pieces. So it is we still have some work to do, but it is going to be lightweight and regular size 72-inch.
Okay.
So we built a removable deck on the minivan, and how we did it, because that didn't have the side shocks, we just put a 2x4 over top of the bar and fasten 2x4 from the top, regular wood deck screws, and the same thing we did at the other end. And we built it. We built it the way, like, you have to see like what kind of angle you are having with your windshield. You don't want to go too much up front, because your windshield pushing the air, and you have to think about the aerodynamics. So that can be like another inch or so more up front, then it will start dragging the air very bad, and it is be slow down the whole van. So you always want to be a little bit more at this inch or so, a little bit back. And another very important thing, it is first 18 inches or so you want to have the boards together, because you still the air has to go pass through. But if you're going to have the spaces at the very beginning, then once you're going to drive your vehicle, you're going to start to hear the whistle noise. So, and here, we just put the spaces inch and 3/4, so the air can go through the one side and at the another side, and don't have that much drag on the air. And here what we did, because underneath is the bar, so if we wanted to remove, you just take these bolts down, one bolt on one side, another bolt on another side, and same thing at up front. You have 2 bolts, you unbolted everything, and it is very lightweight. 2 people unbolted, lifted up, and it is removable, and it is standard length, 72 inches. perfect during the day, enjoying the sun, or at the nighttime, grazing the stars. So this is about all. It is removable deck, but the wood was still, because we just bought the wood today and was dry enough, so we didn't put any stain on the wood or didn't paint it yet. Once it is going to dry up a little bit better in a few days or a couple of weeks, we're going to put a stain on it to protect from the weather, so it can last a little bit longer. But this is about all. So we finished the top, and we will go for next project.
All right. Well, we want to thank Jan for his amazing job. As you can see here, it is just fantastic. This is a 2010 Ford Transit Connect, and it now has the 72-inch deck. Thanks to Jan, we have our special place, and we're very, very grateful.
You're welcome. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it.
Thank you.
And also, it is very sturdy. I mean, it is very sturdy, and also it is very light made. He was used the wood material, and it is really very light made. And once it is going to dry up a little bit, it is going to be even lighter made. So this is all for now, and next project, should I tell them what we're going to do?
Let's let them think about it and be
Right.
surprised.
It is be very special project, what everybody be needed at the summertime.
Exactly. All
So,
right.
thank you.
Thank you. Now we can have coffee and wine, watch the sunset, watch the sunrise, enjoy the view, and it's all thanks to Jan the man. So thankful for everything that he has done for me and Moonlight. Thanks to him and my beautiful friend Kim and their wonderful, gorgeous little son Nico.